Hello everyone, good to see you all in this video, and in this video I'm going to do some operation in this phone. Yeah, need to change the display. As you can see, it's completely shattered. Let's zoom in. Okay. Okay, what's this? Oh, so nice. But I hope I would say this is not the perfect way to remove this thing. But before that, I need to remove the SIM card tray. Without trying tool, it's so bad. Oh my god. Okay, classic fingerprint. Done. So now the back panel is completely separated. Let's get inside the phone. Need to remove this frame with all this screwing portion, then finger what is this, speaker grill with this on off flex cable. I don't know, I can do it without heat gun, but let me try this. Okay, display is connected. Where is the battery? And that battery. But the main thing is on off switch, so I need this. Yeah, I can hear the vibration also. You can able to see and hear some lights. What happened? Maybe no battery. Okay, let me turn it again. Going to turn it on again. Okay, phone vibrates and have some lights over here. It means it is working, but maybe it will show the low battery warning. From power bank it is not taking the power, maybe because of the fast charging power bank. Okay, the good news is the frame is here with working. I'm not sure, but we have the on off switch and also the speaker, main speaker. Good. It's time for the new guy. Okay, as of now everything is perfectly fixed, but the display is little bit yes, because of the glue, power of glue. There is no glue. Let me charge it and after that I will come back.